Ever wonder why some brokers stop sending you loads? It might not be your rate, it might be your insurance profile. Let me show you the hidden insurance issue that makes brokers skip your MC, and how to fix it fast. Part 1 Problem. Your insurance profile looks high risk to brokers. Brokers check active policy details, CSA scores, safety rating, radius on file, cargo limits, driver violations. Most carriers don't know brokers see this. If your insurance looks risky, brokers won't send you freight, even if you're a good carrier. Red flag number 1. Low cargo limits or wrong commodity listed. If your policy doesn't match the freight you run, if cargo limits are too low, if your policy excludes certain loads, brokers skip carriers who look underinsured. Brokers can't risk a claim with a carrier who isn't covered properly. Red flag number 2. Too many driver or vehicle changes. Frequent driver swaps look unstable. Too many truck swaps flag fleet inconsistency. This triggers underwriters and brokers. Stability equals trust. If your fleet looks messy, brokers notice. Red flag number 3. High basic scores. Unsafe driving, vehicle maintenance, hours of service, crash indicator. Scores too high might get brokers fear claim the risk. Brokers don't want their load tied to a bad CSA score. How to fix it fast. Update your insurance profile with accurate commodities. Raise cargo limits for freight you want. Keep driver files clean. Reduce violations with a 30-day safety reset. Freight slows down for a reason, and sometimes the reason is your insurance. If you want me to clean up your file, fix your insurance profile, or prep your MC to look broker ready, I can help you get back on the radar. Like, comment, and subscribe for more trucking insurance insights.